How to send invoice on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to send or create an invoice in your Shopify store. To be able to do this, you would actually need to install apps. So simply select apps over here on the left side and simply search invoice. And you will see here, search invoice in Shopify App Store. These are the different results or the different apps that would help you create your own invoice. There are multiple apps over here, and as you can see, multiple apps are actually built for Shopify. So you can select the one that you like the most. You can examine and choose any of them, and you can easily install it by clicking on install. And using these apps, it should appear over here on the left side after you successfully install it, and using them will allow you to create your own invoices using templates and all of those things, as you can see here on their example. And you can send those templates or those invoices that you have created to your customers. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.